Hello, this is a quick overview of what we did in class this Tuesday in our first lecture. I wanted to take the time for those of you who weren't able to attend to give you the briefest of overviews on what you need to do to succeed in this class. The screen that you're looking at right now is the home page on Blackboard, the VLE at Aston University, that shows you everything you need to know for the module. If we go over to this part of the page right here, this has everything that you need. If you click on home page, that's where we are. Here you can see all the announcements that I'm going to be making. I will update these periodically. If you click all of these tabs, will give you the information that you need. If you click on Module Convener, you're going to find my information. My name is Amanda Russell-Beatty. My office is in the North Wing in room 810. Here's my email address, a.rbeatty@aston.ac.uk, and my feedback sessions when you can come and see me. They're detailed right here. Please be aware I do not use the online booking system. These are drop-in sessions. You can come to these and ask me anything you'd like. Next tab is the Module Handbook, and I'll come back to that in a minute because I'm going to take you through it. Under Module Handbook, we've got weekly readings, and what you can see is that I've broken it down into the various weeks. Click on week 2, which is the upcoming week. You can see these are the readings that you will have expected to do either before or after the lecture. As I said in class, I leave it up to you in the best way to get organized. If we move on from weekly readings, here you'll see the assessments. I've laid them out. I've also given you some helpful things on how to do well on those assessments, and I went over those in class as well. Weekly lectures will be posted right here. Click on that link, you'll get the slides that you missed. For those students who have disabilities and need extra support, here's the information here on how you get it. Please come and see me at the earliest convenience to tell me what I can do to help you. Even though I am emailed your support recommendations, I get a lot, so the quicker you come see me, the better. Other than that, there's not much that here on this tab that can help you, except maybe research skills and resources, which is going to be where I post things that can help you get on in the module. If we go back to the module handbook, I'm going to click on this link. You can see that it'll download and it comes up right down here. Click on that. Doesn't matter how you have this, you can keep it as an electronic format or a paper copy, but you should keep it on you at all times with regards to this course. What it does, it provides you of a week-by-week guide on what we're going to be doing in the class. Here, as you can see, are the learning outcomes, the things that I'm hopefully going to teach you during this class and what we're going to be covering. You get a detailed outline of what our assessments are. You have 3 assessments in teaching period 1. You have a topic proposal that you can write for up to 1,000 words, and that's due on Monday of week 3. A reflexive proposal with an indicative bibliography, that's up to 1,500 words, that's due Monday of week 8. And a reflexive submission on peer-reviewed feedback, which is 1,500 words, and I've explained those in class and I'll explain them more as we go on. I've given you some helpful resources that you can go through, but most importantly, I've given you your weekly readings and workload preparation. Each week, you're going to get background reading, and that's what you're expected to read to come prepared for lecture. You will also get some resources, and you'll be given some ideas on how to guide your study. As you can see in week 1, I've talked about the article that I expect you to read, and I've given you a video on how to find it, and what you should do to prepare for class. Because in week 2, as you can see, we're going to have an opening discussion. Week 2, we talk about international order. Week 3, we talk about realism. We get into the theories. Week 4 is liberalism, as you can see right there. Week 5 is with the library. They're going to come over and give you an information session on what you do and don't need to do to make the library helpful to your assessments. Week 6, no lectures, it's reading week. Week 7, we're going to look at micro-level international relations. Week 8, we're going to be looking at nations and nation states. Week 9, we'll be looking at power and security. And week 10, we'll be looking at war. Week 11, there's no lecture because we're going to be doing peer review and feedback. And week 12 is going to be feedback sessions on a drop-in basis. I've also included some things that I hope will help you. There's some additional resources here on what is reflexive writing. In this module, you will be doing research, but you also will be doing some reflexive writing to help develop your critical thinking skills. You'll also have a discussion here on how to give feedback, and I've provided you with a research proposal template for your second assessment. At the end, there are some additional readings. These are obviously there to help you, but they are not required like the ones in the weekly reading sessions. If you have any questions about this or any other aspects of the course, then please come and see me during my feedback session.